Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello guys, hello viewers. This is Raja Kushal for you with another new concept. That's what is written on about Cartesian coordinates. Before proceeding, let me ask you for a favor. Please do subscribe my channel and share as much as you can. Please. The Cartesian coordinates concept is very useful to the children of junior secondary classes, particularly 9th and 10th. It may help you in some science topics as well as light. You may know the sign convention of spherical mirror. Here, this applies. This very concept applies. It also applies on different fields of economics as well. So you must understand it with utmost intensity. Cartesian coordinate is named after a French mathematician and philosopher, René Descartes, and it's extremely useful for all of us. If you want to know, if we want to excel in maths, if you want to excel in maths, sorry. So let me make a overall view of the concept. It's a concept of two lines that cross over on one another and make a Cartesian plan. Let us draw a simple line from right to left and left to right, just like this. This is going towards right side and this is coming back to left side. The line going right and left and up and down as well. This is going up and this is going down. Sorry, it's right, left. The crossover of one another of these lines makes us a Cartesian plane. Just recall the integers, the concept of number system. We know that a number on the right side of a number line and the left side of a number line including 0 makes up integers. Just like this. These are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. It goes in, goes on. The arrow indicates that it's going to infinity. This is the right side of the number line and this is the left side of the number line. This is called a horizontal line and on a Cartesian plan we call it x-axis. Now the line should be flipped in anti-clockwise like this. This line should be flipped in this very manner, just like this, anti-clockwise. So when we flip this very edge of the line to that very point, it means the flip of numbers. The flip of numbers will goes like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the negative numbers obviously flips down. This way like goes 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and minus 5, going up to infinity. So this is the rough sketch of the Cartesian plan. We have this very line, horizontal line called as x-axis, and this very line called as y-axis. The vertical line, the line going up and down, that's called. They cross over on a point that is called the origin, where it is the base of where we measure the distance towards any of the four sides. Now the rough sketch is drawn. There are 4 quadrants. Quadrant means the fourth part. Quadrant derived from quad, which means fourth part. These two lines axes I have divided this very plane into 4 equal sides, just like this. This is the first quadrant. This is a second quadrant, this is a third quadrant, and obviously this is a fourth quadrant. Now the most important thing, the signs, the indication of signs. You must make sure that the order of the Cartesian plan is first applies the x-axis positive sign and negative sign, and then follows the y-axis positive or negative sign. The first quadrant is positive because x-axis is positive, y-axis is positive. the opposite is this very quadrant, third quadrant, it will go just opposite to first quadrant. It's a negative. This very side, x-axis is negative, this very side is positive. On the contrary, we have the second quadrant. Second quadrant, that there is no choice. We should follow the order of pairs. Just first order in order, it x come first. Obviously, the negative sign should come first, and followed by a positive sign of y. That's plus. When we got within the parenthesis, we got the second quadrant, the opposite of the second quadrant. If it was negative, it will be positive. If it was positive, it will be negative. Opposite. So we got fourth quadrant. This is the Cartesian plan, and the point where two points meet, that's called coordination of Cartesian plan. Coordination point. Let me throw an example. Just suppose we have 2, 3 within parentheses. The first two indicate the positive of x-axis. Where is the 2 unit 2? This is 1, this is 2, this is positive. On x-axis you should try to locate first term, first digit. This is 2, and the second term and second digit is 3, is also positive, obviously it's gonna there, and the coordinate point 2 and 3 will be here. This is the coordinate point. Let me throw a few more examples. This is -2, 4 within parentheses, -2. -2 is in this Cartesian plan, -2 is located at two different points, first here and second here. But following the order pairs, we should make sure that -2 is on the x-axis. This is -2, and 4 is positive on the y-axis. Obviously 4 is going to here, and the point of coordinate should be here, -2, 4. You know, anything that rotates on a particular point is called x-axis, and the x-axis plural is ax, ix is plural. Ax, ix has a plural ax, yes, axis. Axis means to cut into two pieces. So this is the Cartesian plan. I hope you understand. Thanks for watching me, and please do share and subscribe me. Thanks.